Hello, fellow travelers. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're escaping the hustle and bustle of Bacolod City for a peaceful retreat at Natos Beach. Nestled in Barangay Calooc, Bago City, just a short drive away. If you're visiting Bacolod and craving a quick beach getaway without the long travel, Natos Beach is your perfect destination. This private resort offers a tranquil environment ideal for those looking to unwind without the crowds. Whether you're planning a family outing, a team building event, or a romantic escape, Natos Beach provides a serene backdrop with its cozy nipa huts and beachfront views. While swimming isn't recommended due to the brackish water, the ambience and natural beauty make it a worthwhile visit. Stay tuned as we explore more of what this hidden gem has to offer. So, muna siya ang Balay Habagat.
Yan. Napakaganda, no? Parang bayan ng Ifugao. Parang
Dami
nasa Baguio
siya.
lang.
So, ano lang ito na guys.
Gusto mo pumasok ko sa loob?
Sagwa lang tayo na
Walk tour lang muna.
Wow, kanami siya sa doorway pa lang guys. Kanami na. Oh, wow. Kanami, oh.
So guys, may sasabihin no, since hindi naman kayo mag-cellphone dito pero walang internet dito. Tingnan niyo guys. Pakita niyo sa akin. Sa mga friends natin, we do not have Wi-Fi.
Why?
So it's way back 1995. Pretend it's 1995.
Wow.
Kaya mag-usap tayo dito. Walang internet.
So, matur taanay guys kung ano ang sang sulod. Sang Balay Amihan. So, welcome to House or Balay Amihan.
Ano naman?
Nami siya ang
Pwede sa maging bahay na.
pwede gid saya for overnight. This is really bisan dios lang gani nami na siya.
Sa atin dear, overnight na tayo.
Hindi dios lang ta. So ara kanami nami gid sang ilang kitchen. Tinlo gid siya. So maganaan gid kamo mag-prepare sang food. Okay, let's check their bathroom area. Wow! Very tinlo gid siya, guys. Look at that.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
Yan, natawag na ang balay.
So, ari na kita.
Walk around on the stairs, guys. Going upstairs.
Let's go upstairs to
And check out the room.
check the room.
Right. I think that's good.
Sarado na siya.
So, kala ko hindi close yun. Check naman.
So, amo ni siyang iyang
Actually, close it.
close siya. So, we cannot check. Basta amo na siya.
Pasok tayo, guys. Kala ko sa taas yung siguro.
So, pwede makamudigili ka rent mga kubo,
Yes,
guys. Check na lang ang price later. Naribid, guys, matamwa ta TV, kadali lang din.
Buka to.
So, umulang ni siguro ang kubo nila. So, may lang kamuda. Ay, sorry, may tao. Tawa na balik. Saka kita. So, amo ni siya ang balay amihan. So, kung gusto niyo magtinir dire, kung gusto niyo magpalamig-lamig, mapay lang kamo additional 1,000 for the aircon. Pero kung wala mo kamo plan
Sino bang kinakausap mo dito din?
Staying overnight, you can also opt for the non-aircon. Do attic style siya,
Yes.
so nubo lang siya. Okay?
Super hot, guys.
Super hot. Okay, wala
Because
aircon.
11:30 in the
Yes.
morning.
Okay, so here is the inside of Balay Amihan. Bagay din siya kung
Ang isa to ka pala yun na din na.
damo ka mo mga kids. Nami ito siya ya. Pang ano to? Pang jutay ito siya ya. Ariya pang damo. O kung damo ka mo, may mga bunk. Ano siya panawag? Bunk beds? Bunk beds siguro. Mas nami itong isa to eh.
Sa minisa.
Pet friendly, di gali, guys.
Dito mo muna.
Pwede ka bring sang inyong mga pets. So, anong masasabi nyo, guys?
It's good. It's okay. And very exclusive.
Very relaxing.
Relaxing yung ano.
Chill vibe.
Hindi mainit yung hangin.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's not really humid. And cool yung
Sakto
ano,
lang yung
breeze.
hangin.
Yeah.
Okay. Say hi! Hi, baby Duda! Say hi, Ram Ram! Say hi to the vlog!
Uwi na kami and thank you sa Natos Beach.
Yes.
Shout out sa mga
We have so much fun in
mga
here.
tao dito.
The best yung sunset,
Yes, the best talaga.
guys. You should definitely
Babalik tayo dito
go.
soon. Let's go.
Bye, Natos Beach. Thank you for the
Natos Beach.
memories.
Let's go and go home now.
Bye.
The weekend, it's over.